So, the question came to mind, what is froth?
Froth is the news. Froth is the internet. Froth is blather. And I like it. Froth turns me on.
It's worthless or insubstantial talk, ideas, and activities. Irrelevancies, nonsense, rubbish, trash, and pap. And ultimately, it's bubbly and fizzy in nature.
Think of froth like a doorway to another world. It's not really. It's more like a tiny little snapshot zeitgeist. But you're here, and we're here, and that's all that really matters, isn't it?
So I just had some sort of malfunction in the TV guide on my TV that overlapped some of the titles. For a second it showed Robin Hood, Men in Snooky. Awkward.
I know Robin Hood takes from the rich and gives to the poor, but I sure hope it's not a venereal disease.
The rights of the individual outweigh the judgment of others. If curious, I could contemplate the motive. If I were to dictate, I may enforce my perception. Freedom of expression versus good manners.
Seriously reminds me of some idiots who abused bath salts in my hometown.
I received a random voicemail just now from a very young child. I don't know who it was.
Daddy, I want a pony. Now.
If you genuinely love someone, don't ever decorate their eyes with tears, their ears with lies, and their heart with a wound.
It rains diamonds on Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune.
Okay, so I may be out of the loop, and this may seem really dumb, but what the fuck is a bit strip?
They say everything happens for a reason. That cheap tequila was calling your name. Ha ha yummy num num.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
Hello, I am from the internet. Froth and its sister channel Froth Alice's are discussion channels about the internet. It is an ongoing meme-a-thon, and a greatest hits of the webtastic. Follow, subscribe, share, comment, and froth. But don't just sit there. Be a part of the dialogue.